Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. UK markets open firmer, with the FTSE100 up 0.19%. Across Europe, the CAC 40 rose 0.44%, while Germany's DAX added 1.49% amid hopes for easing tensions between the US and Iran. In the US, markets were softer overnight. The Nasdaq fell 0.34%, and the S&P 500 was broadly flat, as investors remained cautious about geopolitical risks and interest rate expectations. In company news, Dr. Martens posted better than expected full-year profit and improved margins, offering signs of stabilisation in the retail sector. Meanwhile, Standard Chartered announced plans to cut more than 7,000 jobs as the bank increases the use of artificial intelligence across its operations. In currencies, sterling weakened slightly against the dollar, yen and Swiss franc, while the Australian dollar strengthened against the pound. Bitcoin gained 0.47% against sterling. In commodities, copper, gold and natural gas all traded lower, while Brent crude moved higher on Middle East supply concerns. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.